Welcome to my channel.
Let's get started.
Mascaras are available in so many colors. I will mention few names here, so you must watch this video till the end because today I will tell you how to use these colors full mascaras. Black, white, purple, pink, red, green, orange, yellow, blue, brown, rose, light pink. Enhancing eye color with colorful mascaras. Purple for green eyes. Blue for brown eyes. Deep green for brown eyes. Blue eye for black-brown. Wear colorful mascaras with multiple dresses.
Purple mascara with a black dress for a bold and edgy look. Blue mascara with a white dress for a fresh and vibrant style. Green mascara with a beige dress for a natural and earthy vibe. Burgundy mascara with a navy dress for a sophisticated and elegant appearance.
Experiment with different color combinations to find what suits your style and makes you feel fabulous. Thanks for watching.